What's up, everybody? I've got a video for you guys today. I want to talk about Up in the Air, which is our new show that we're doing on Monday nights, and a couple other things I'm just going to try to tie into one video for condensed purposes, so stay tuned. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm sure you'll find something you like on this channel. Okay, so first things first, I want to address something that happened last Friday, which was the statement put out by Autel, basically asking you all to, pay close attention to their streams, their feeds for any information. A lot of information's been coming out via social media, whether it be from my platform. Drone Valley put out a pretty interesting video about the fatal flaw of the Autel Evo. I'm not really sure who they're specifically referring to, but it could have something to do with a bit of that information dump that I threw out. I think it was last Thursday I put out a video. So there's a lot of things coming out. Autel's been pretty tight-lipped, and honestly, I'm sick of talking about the Evo because there just hasn't been enough information. So I thought it would be interesting, and I'm going to need your all's help, you guys, to help me with this. But so we have this show Up in the Air where I bring a guest on. We talk about things, whether it be in the drone industry or just creators or video, whatever it is. Literally the topic is up in the air. So I thought it'd be interesting to invite either Tim or Andrew or whomever, a representative from Autel, on the show to talk about the Evo and the potential release and what we can expect, and sort of put some of these rumors to rest, and that way you can hear it directly from their mouths. Maybe they don't have the platform to do this, which I would doubt. They obviously do have the platform, but they haven't used it. So let's do this. Autel Robotics, if you are listening, I invite you to come on Up in the Air. I know it's a fairly small show, but I promise if you come on, people will listen. Not only they will listen, there is a live chat where people can ask questions. And I'll do this even one better. I will set up a line that people could call into and ask their questions live and have them answered. Reasonable questions. Obviously, we're not going to talk about the confirmed release date, but give you guys some information about the drone itself. So how am I going to get Autel's attention? Well, that's where you all come in. Tweet this video at them. Let them know that you want to know more about it and you want them to come on the show. They're a fairly small company. I'm a fairly small channel. I thought it would just be a good idea to have a conversation, we'll say 10-15 minutes. And that should put out enough of information to where it may, put everybody at ease. And let's see if they do this. So if you are listening, Autel, you can reach me at phonesdronestech@gmail.com. If you are interested, I have a show going tomorrow. Obviously, it's short notice, but maybe the week after. Or if you are truly interested, I will go ahead and do a special show where it'll be live Q&A with the Autel Robotics team. I thought it would be cool. I'll throw it out there. If it works, great. If you guys aren't interested, no problem. Totally understand. But I thought I would at least try to give you guys a platform to clear any misinformation that could have been spread. And honestly, this will be the last time I talk about it until I get the drone in my hands, but I thought it would be cool to at least give you guys a platform to talk about it. So tweet this video at the Autel Robotics team, throw it at them on Facebook, whatever you have to do. Let's get them to at least respond or acknowledge. They may or may not be interested, but I thought it would be worth a shot. Anyways, be positive in the comment section. This world has way too much negativity for anybody to banter on the internet. Don't be a keyboard warrior, but I will see you in the next one. Peace.